up? Joe with a bonus Sunday video, because guess what? It started raining, and look at Soi Buakhao. See if we can go take a walk. It's only ankle deep. It's 4 p.m. I did the video earlier. This Nature View Hotel, the new Dabua. I'm not sure. I don't think I'll get to Soi Diana. It has just stopped raining. You've got to be careful you don't fall down a hole. Four-wheel drives are coming through. Look out, Peter, you're going to get wet. Soi 15. Now there you are. You wouldn't get through there. That's getting pretty deep just there. But up in our section, around the corner past that shopping centre, we're okay. I just left my condo now. We're okay. But look at this section. Goodness me. Look, it's only like an inch deep here. Hiring staff, anyone? Look at this. Man, I'm gonna fall down a drain. Yeah, it's all good fun. I'm sure up at Soi Lenki, then Soi Diana, they're waist deep. Oh, look, I've seen it worse here. At least it's stopped raining now. Ah, good old Soi Boomerang, never floods there, does it? You gotta love Pattaya, you know. This will all be gone in 30 minutes to an hour if it doesn't start raining again. I don't know how long I'll do this video for, because it's just water, water, water. All the massage shops. Good there, 120 baht, one of them. One was 150, one was 120. Uh-oh, look out. Get wet. Don't make the waves. She's saying slow down, this lady. Slow down. It gets deeper up here, man. The motorbike shop here, Mai Tai. Yeah, they go in the shops here. Hello, young ladies. Hey, come on. Hug me massage #1 Soi Buakhao. Gotta come here, okay? All right, girls. Mai Tai motorcycle here. They're struggling a little bit. Don't want to go in the shops. That little Soi there, you wouldn't want the hotel there. Top. Get through here on the BART bus. I was going to go on the BART bus, do the video, would have been good, but none came along, and they're all packed now. I don't want to scare everyone off. Look at this, you gotta love this place. There's the Suitors Court. Just a Sunday afternoon stroll. Man, it was pouring down though. It's a solid 2 hours. You guys know this place. Money exchange. Did the rates change from this morning? Maybe. There's a quick look for you others who didn't see the rates. See all that? Aussie dollars get cracked. Alright, how many minutes we done? Bore you all to death. Keep it going. May as well do a long flood video. I'm going to enjoy it, go for the walk. We're nearly at the Soi. Eat Charlie's is back. You've got to be careful in the rain. There's a chance that people get electrocuted, the wires around, even the street poles could be dangerous. You sandbag up, that's all you can do. Put your sandbags out. Look, the people in the shops here, they know what's going on. Floods every year, maybe twice, 3 times. Who am I sloshing around? Joni! Look at this. It's deep up here. It's like a river coming from Soi Lenki. Goes into Soi Diana. Motorbikes coming through though. That's not even P2. Look at that, man. Whee. I don't think minibar. Oh, it's like a river here. Hang on, check this out. It could be in the rapids. Be Joe in the rapids at Subway. I'm gonna get the boat out, man. How cool is that? You never knew Pattaya had a river. Still get takeaway, no problems. Oh, here comes the four-wheel drive. Uh-oh, get washed away. I'm gonna lose my flip-flops. Look at that, man. Motorbikes won't get through there. You can hear the rush of the water. Actually, look at this girl. She's gonna lose her flip-flops. But here's how deep it is. Yeehaw! Look at the tyres. It's not that deep there in the middle of the road. Man, it looks bad here, and there's a lot of water. I don't think I'm going to walk down this way, man. We'll just cross the road here, and we'll see how we go without losing my flip-flops. Man, it's like a rapid. I was going to ride the motorbike along here, but it's too dangerous. You end up falling in a hole. And look at this. Yeah, welcome to Pattaya. Man, it's like a rapid up here. I think that's the water coming down Soi Buakhao because they don't have any drains. And all the water comes here. I don't think I'm going to be able to get any further, guys. But we'll just check this out for a little bit. Everybody coming through. We can no one's game. Oh, look at this little bit here. I'm only like an inch deep on the corner here. Sunday, 9th of October 2022. Pattaya has a mini flood again. Cool. No cars are coming through there yet. They're all waiting. It's over knee deep just down there. Area 51 down there. Taxis. Everyone's trying to get to work now because it's just gone 4 PM. Everyone's got to go to work. Stand here, make noise. Stand here. Yeah, you want to swim? Huh? You girls gonna try swim down there? You crazy? It's too deep. It's like, huh? Well, I guess they got to go to work, or you get fined sometimes. You're late to work. You've got a 4 PM start. Beep beep coming through, motorbikes are stopping. You got a 4-wheel drive. If I was buying a car, I'd have a 4-wheel drive. Go through a bit of a flood, he's going to risk it through here, it's no problem. Well, another one coming through. B Joe will be coming through. Oi! Boom! Hey! There you go, knee deep. Like I said, 1 hour, this will all be gone. Stop raining. I'm standing here in the open. Yeah. That should be a fun. The water's giving me a bit of a massage and it doesn't look too dirty. Not the old black water you used to get in Pattaya before COVID. Now it's sort of muddy flood water. Sure, there's still a bit of crap in it. There's no dead rats and like you used to get. If this taxi stops, maybe he's broken down. Stop, no, he's off again. Probably wanting to go down here and he can't, it's too deep, mate. Look at the girls before. Too deep. Man, like a rapid though down there. I think I should cross the road just here. Watch this. Pijo through the flood. Look, in the middle, it's not deep. We're in 7-Elevens. There's the marijuana station. Oh, good idea. Let's stop there. And here's the other angle. Oh, garbage bag floating down the road. Soi Lenky, while we're here. Don't want to fall down a hole, be careful, Pijo. Look at it on the bike. Yeah, it's not too deep, but just getting through. You're just at the level where the bike's maybe pushing it a little bit. We've got a traffic jam here because no one wants to go down Soi Diana. Push bike's also a bit dangerous. You might fall in a drain, you never know. Now the rain stopped, everyone's got to go to work, the traffic's getting busy. Still a rapid over there. Look, it's not too bad. This guy pushing his motorbike. Soi Diana there, too deep. Remember last year I got stuck just here. I got stuck just there, Soi Buakhao. Hang on, let me get up here, I can dry my feet off. There's 7-Eleven here. Right, that's better. Oh, just stop in the middle of the road, pay the taxi, no problem. Oh. Yes, every year, Pattaya. About still black clouds. All right, guys, Mr. Pijo flood video. Take care, everybody. Stay dry. I'm heading out soon. A couple of hours, I'll be down, out and about partying. So I hope this goes away, which it normally does. This guy's flying out of Soi Lenky. He's moving. Motorbike, he's got his feet up. He's all right, high and dry. All right, guys. Uru from Pijo. Over and out.